I'd like to present to you your progress towards your bear rank, as well as your marbles. Thank you. You want to take a picture?
Sorry.
John, I'll do yours next. And we're getting into the awards that scare me. John, put that down, please. That's not yours. Put him down, please. He has earned his. Put him, just put him down. He's earned his science award.
Jack, look here.
Look at the camera. His progress towards his bear rank. And during the summertime, he completed his whittling chip course. So that means that for select Cub Scout events, he may carry a pocket knife. Thank you. And for new Bear Scout, Jairus.
Jack, down.
All right, thank you. Okay, I'm good. Jairus has earned the bobcat badge. I'll give that to you. Jairus also during the summer completed his whittling chip course, which will enable him to carry a pocket knife on particular Cub Scout events. Jairus has progress towards his bear rank and quite a few belt loops because it's been a while. So he has his kickball, fishing, marbles, hiking, and science belt loops.